This video is going to show how to quickly and efficiently create a schematic with time-saving features in OrCAD Capture. To ensure all component pins connect and components are aligned, grid snapping should be turned on. If grid snapping is not used, the schematic wires may not connect to the appropriate pins. To enable grid snapping, click the Snap to Grid button. The button will show a grid with a magnet indicating that snap is enabled. With grid snapping enabled, the schematic can be wired. Let's make some connections automatically to save time. Select Place, Auto Wire, 2 points from the menu. Select the first connection, pin 1 on J1. A line extends from the pin to the cursor. Select the second connection, pin 80 on IC1. A wire is automatically drawn between the two pins. To adjust the wire, right-click and select End Mode. Click and drag to adjust the wire to avoid crowding any other pins for future connections. Let's finish wiring the connector. Select Place, Auto Wire, 2 points from the menu. Click to automatically connect the remainder of the connections by selecting the first pin followed by the pin it connects to. If any connections are not drawn, the software could not find an easy path between the 2 points. Exit the automatic wiring mode and adjust existing connections before trying again. Components can also be wired manually by selecting Place, Wire from the menu. Let's move on to buses. In a design with a high number of parallel bits, a bus can be used to simplify the number of connections. Select Place, Bus from the menu. Click to route the bus from IC1 to IC2. Right-click and select End Wire when finished. This will automatically draw the bus previewed on the cursor. Click again to tee the bus and route another section to the other side of IC2. Press Shift on the keyboard to place the bus at an angle. When finished, press Escape on the keyboard. Connections can be made to the bus manually or automatically. Automatic connections are useful with a higher number of parallel bits. Select Place, Auto Wire, Connect to Bus from the menu. Click to select the desired pins on IC1, then select the bus. The nets are automatically connected. The Enter Net Names window opens. Enter D bracket 0:27 bracket for the name and click OK. This syntax will automatically number the connections with D0 through D27. Let's complete this process again. Click to connect the desired pins, this time TX5 through TX25 on IC2, then select the bus to connect the nets. In the Net Names window, enter D bracket 5:25 bracket and click OK. The nets are named from top to bottom as D5 to D25. Let's complete this process one last time. Select the desired pins, this time TX0 through TX4 on IC2, then select the bus to connect the nets. Enter D bracket 4:0 bracket for the name and click OK. Since the nets are numbered from top to bottom, starting with a higher number will enumerate from bottom to top. Bus entries can also be placed manually. To do this, select Place, Wire from the menu, the Wire button from the toolbar, or press W on the keyboard. Click to draw a wire stub between a pin and the bus. Double-click to finish the stub or right-click and select Done. Click to draw another stub between a pin and the bus. Double-click to finish the stub, then press Escape on the keyboard. With the wire added to the pin, a bus entry can be placed. Select Place, Bus Entry from the menu, or press E on the keyboard. Click to place entries between each stub and the bus. Press R on the keyboard to rotate as needed. Lastly, let's place net aliases. Net aliases can be used to electrically connect stubs and nets that cannot be physically connected in the schematic. Select Place, Net Alias from the menu. Enter a name for the net alias, in this example, D26, and click OK. Click to place an alias on the other nets. The alias number is incremented automatically. Save time and ensure accuracy while creating the schematic with automatic wire connections, net aliases, and more in OrCAD Capture. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.